let's get spooky. Hey guys, Ryan Straut here from Straut of RSFX, and it is officially Halloween season, my favorite time of year. And I'm here to talk to you about some new products that MostlyDead.com is carrying to step up your Halloween game. In addition to affordable foam latex prosthetics, MostlyDead.com is now carrying zombie skin. If you've never used it before, it's an awesome thickened latex product that is super versatile. It can replace bondo for seaming edges of your prosthetic. You can make scars, you can make cuts, you can build up new forms on your prosthetic. You can create a ripped zombie skin texture, hence the name. And we're gonna do pretty much all of that today. But instead of creating a zombie with zombie skin, seems kinda obvious, doesn't it? We're gonna take a classic Halloween idea, twist it around, and serve it right back to you in a new and fresh way. Because this is Halloween 2018, and I know we all can step it up. Using prosthetic appliances from MostlyDead.com, we're going to be creating a devil from hell. The twist is, hell has started to freeze over. Let's get started. My hair is slicked back and my face is naked. We are ready to fit our bald cap. Throw on my horns, and now we're going to glue down the bald cap. Applying light layers of Prosade, work from the middle outward and give appropriate time to dry before laying down. Repeat this process moving down the face, working around your ears carefully and smoothing out any wrinkles along the way for a nice clean application. Grab these Woochy ear prosthetics. Apply adhesive on the inside of the piece and origami fold your ear into them twice. This who knows is cute, but we aren't going for cute today, so here's another twist. We're using this piece on our chin to give a little more prominence to our jaw and have a weird demon bump on the end. Use a Q-tip to carefully lay down the edges for a better blend. For the face, we are applying an avatar prosthetic, which will be great for this demonstration because this piece is very smooth and we will be adding detail and texture with the zombie skin. Work from the nose outward for the best hold and carefully lay down the edges by your eyes. Now for the good stuff. Using the jar of zombie skin and a spatula, I'm blending these edges into the skin by scooping the cream onto the edge and moving it back and forth for a more seamless transition. Since I should have pulled my bald cap down further, I'm building a new latex ridge to blend that seam. Certain areas may need several layers, but the good news is this product dries incredibly quickly. I'm generously applying the zombie skin around the ears and horns where the transitions are more rough. I want them to feel like they are part of the pieces and not just attached. When working around the eyes, make sure to use extra caution. While not stinky like liquid latex, it is still a latex product and you don't want that in your peepers. I'm applying a neutral paint all over to get a similar tone across all my appliances before beginning my paint job. Take a setting powder and dust that everywhere so your paints don't mix. Popping in my contacts from Primal Lenses and Contact Lens Hub, I now can take the zombie skin syringe and pipe details onto my face, much like frosting a very scary cupcake. If you wanted to create scars, you could leave the piping as is, but I'm blending some of the edges out to look like details in the face and hide transitions between my appliances. This process is pretty tedious, but can create some really interesting effects. And you can use this to blend your edges as well. I just wanted to use the jar of zombie skin because it's more accessible for that. Both are great tools to have and to create out-of-kit makeup effects. I decided to put on these cheek protrusions, but ditch one of them in favor of intentional asymmetry. And now we can start to paint our devil. Of course, we start with the expected red, but follow behind with a stipple of black to frame the face and transition into the horns. I take that black all the way out onto the ears, down the neck, and continue to lightly pull that into the center of the face. Touching up certain areas with black on my brush, I wanted to deepen the tones for better coverage. Stippling on layers of orange and yellow body paint, I wanted to pop the highlights in the center of my demon's face to make it look like it was glowing with heat, focusing the paint on the brows, cheeks, and top of the nose. For the eyes, we're going back to black and creating a predatory shape going down the inner corner and out on the ends, following the bestial shape of the prosthetic. I break up the lines with jagged shapes to resemble cracks in molten rock. Little spatter paint on the face, and we're back to black again. Continuing to detail the nose, mouth, and brows, I pull that texture out further while my horns keep interfering with my lighting. For my frozen side, I'm basing it out with purple, so there's still some life under the skin, but it's colder. I don't like makeups that are split entirely down the middle, so I tried to pull this shape at a diagonal and not down the entire half of my face. Stippling on washes of black to deepen parts of the face, I now fleck white body paint all over the affected area with some added fake snow and fur, and I'm ready to face the brutal tundra that hell has become. Make sure you visit MostlyDead.com for all your Halloween needs and pick up some zombie skin today. And if you liked this shirt, it's by artist Mike Smith, aka Psych Myth. Give his page some love and get your own tee at his website listed below. See ya!